Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little sparrow named Chirpy. She had the perfect home, high up in a tall tree with her family. The forest was her world, full of life, with chirping birds, rustling leaves, and a flowing stream that sparkled in the sunlight.
One day, Chirpy noticed something strange. The air was filled with loud noises, and the ground shook as machines entered the forest. Trees were being cut down one by one. Chirpy and her friends flew from branch to branch, scared and confused, wondering what was happening to their beautiful home. Soon Chirpy's tree was gone, and with it her nest. She and her family had nowhere to go. The forest became silent, the animals disappeared, and the stream dried up. Chirpy flew to the nearby city, but it wasn't the same. There was no clean air, no fresh water, and no place to build her nest.
Chirpy's story is the story of many animals losing their homes because of deforestation. When we cut down trees without thinking about the environment, we destroy the homes of so many creatures. We also harm ourselves by losing the clean air, water, and shade that forests provide. So, what can we do? Plant trees, protect forests, and speak up for the environment. Remember, every tree we save or plant is a step towards saving Chirpy and her friends. Let's promise to care for our planet and all its living creatures.